Want to try Windows 11 26H2 before everyone else? While you're currently using Windows 11 25H2, many of the new features coming with 26H2 aren't available there, including changes to the taskbar and other new improvements and features. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download the Windows 11 26H2 ISO, create a bootable USB using Rufus, and install it on your PC so you can try the latest version for yourself. First, let me show you what I'm currently using. My PC is running Windows 11 25H2, which doesn't include all of the newer features. So, in this video, we're going to install Windows 11 26H2 using an ISO file. To get started, we first need to download Rufus, which we'll use to create our bootable USB drive. Open your favorite web browser, search for Rufus, open its official website, and download the latest version. Rufus is a small and portable tool that lets you create bootable USB drive. Now, open a new tab and search for Windows 11 Insider ISO download. Open the first result from the official Microsoft website. When the website opens, you'll notice that you need to be a member of the Windows Insider program to access the download page. Simply click the Sign In button and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one here as well. It just takes 2 minutes. If you already have one, simply sign in with your existing account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Windows Insider preview page. Now scroll all the way down until you find the Select Edition section. Click on it and you'll see several different editions. For this video, select the edition with build number 26300.8935. It may say 25H2 here, but don't worry, we'll be using this build to get the 26H2 installation. Select it and click Confirm. Next, select your preferred language and click Confirm again. Finally, click 64-bit download, and the Windows ISO file will start downloading. Now, simply wait for the download to finish completely. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. You should now have both the Rufus file and the Windows ISO file here. Open Rufus, connect your USB drive to the PC, and Rufus should automatically detect it. Now click Select and choose the Windows ISO file from your Downloads folder. Once the ISO is loaded, click Start. Rufus will now show you several Windows customization options. I'm going to select all of them because I want to use the Silent Windows Installation option. This can automatically erase the selected disk, install Windows, and take you directly to the desktop without requiring you to go through every setup screen manually. If you want to use these options as well, make sure to watch my video where I explain everything about Silent Windows installation. I've added the link in the description and the first comment. Now, Rufus will start creating our bootable USB drive. This can take some time, so wait until the process is completely finished. Once everything is done, close Rufus and any other open windows. Now we're ready to boot the PC from the USB drive and start the installation. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click Restart from the Windows Power menu. Your PC will then restart and boot into the Windows recovery environment. Here, click on Use a device. After that, select your USB drive and your PC will start booting from the USB drive. Windows will then begin the installation process. Since we selected the Silent Windows installation options in Rufus, everything will be installed and configured automatically without requiring a single click. Once the process is complete, you'll be taken directly to the Windows desktop. And there you go. We've successfully installed Windows 11 26H2, and your PC is now ready to use. Before you start using it, make sure to go to Windows Update and install all available updates. This will make sure your system is fully up to date and that you can access all the latest features and improvements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.